Hi, if you want to restore missing home screen icons on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open Settings. Here search for the Accounts and Backup section, and after that you will need to scroll to see the Samsung Cloud. Now scroll till the end and check this option to restore data. So, you need to find the right backup to restore your data, but if you haven't enabled automatic backups, nothing will happen here. If you have enabled it, just select the right version. I'm gonna choose this one. And now you need to remove check marks from every application except for the home screen and apps. Just like that. And after this step, select this button to restore. And here you can see this option install backup apps. So let's tap install and wait a couple of seconds till it will be installed. And now the data is restored. You just need to tap the done button, and after that you can just return back to the home page, and here check whether home screen icons brought back to this page or not. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.